Tired of watching your investments underperform while others seem to be raking it in? Let's dive into the world of AI-powered investing and explore strategies that are already making waves in 2025. Today, the stock market is buzzing with new opportunities, but also brimming with challenges. You've probably noticed friends, colleagues, or even strangers online boasting about their investment returns, while your own portfolio seems to lag behind. What's their secret? Increasingly, it's artificial intelligence. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's fundamentally reshaping how people invest. Gone are the days when you had to rely solely on gut instinct or outdated stock tips. Today, AI-driven platforms and tools are giving everyday investors access to the kind of data analysis and predictive power that was once reserved for Wall Street's elite. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI-powered investing? At its core, it means using advanced algorithms and machine learning to analyze mountains of financial data. Everything from market trends, news headlines, and social media chatter, to company earnings and even global economic shifts. These AI systems can spot patterns and opportunities that humans might miss, and they do it in real time 24/7. But how does this actually translate into better investment results? Let's break down the main ways AI is making a difference for investors right now. First, there's stock picking. In the past, choosing winning stocks meant hours of research, poring over financial statements, and trying to predict which companies would outperform. Now, AI stock analyzers like Zen Ratings, Denelfin, and Tickeron are scanning thousands of stocks at once, using historical data and real-time signals to generate buy and sell recommendations. Some of these platforms even use trading bots that can execute trades automatically, removing human emotion from the equation and sticking to a proven strategy. For example, Denelfin's AI-powered model portfolios have delivered a 263% return since 2017, far outpacing the S&P 500's 189% over the same period. Tools like Tickeron offer daily buy and sell signals, pattern recognition, and AI-driven trend analysis, helping investors make smarter decisions without getting bogged down in data overload. But AI isn't just for active traders. If you're more of a long-term, hands-off investor, there are AI-powered Robo Advisors like Wealthfront and Betterment. These platforms use AI to automatically build and manage diversified portfolios tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. They'll rebalance your investments as markets shift and can even use tax loss harvesting strategies to help minimize your tax bill, something that used to require a human advisor and a hefty management fee. For those just starting out, apps like Rockflow and Acorns are making investing more accessible than ever. With Rockflow, you can start investing with as little as $1, and the platform's AI will suggest daily trading opportunities based on your preferences. Acorns, on the other hand, rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the spare change into a personalized, AI-optimized portfolio. These tools are democratizing investing, allowing anyone to get started and grow their wealth with minimal effort. And let's not forget about social trading platforms like eToro. Here, AI combines with the wisdom of the crowd, letting you copy the strategies of top investors while also benefiting from machine learning insights that highlight emerging trends and potential risks. So, what about the risks? AI isn't magic. While these tools can help you make smarter decisions, they're not infallible. Markets are unpredictable, and no algorithm can guarantee profits. That's why experts recommend using AI as a tool to complement your own research and staying diversified, never putting all your eggs in one basket. Speaking of diversification, AI is also helping investors look beyond the obvious. In recent years, a handful of mega-cap tech stocks, think the so-called Magnificent Seven, have dominated market returns. But in 2025, analysts are seeing a shift. The valuation gap between these giants and the rest of the market is becoming unsustainable. AI is now being used to identify opportunities across the entire value chain, from suppliers and infrastructure companies to niche players in emerging industries. This broader approach could help investors capture growth as the AI ecosystem expands beyond just the biggest names. Another game changer is personalization. Traditional investment advice often relied on generic risk questionnaires. Today's AI systems can analyze your entire financial picture, your spending habits, career path, even your local economic conditions to craft truly individualized recommendations. For example, if you work in tech, an AI advisor might suggest reducing your exposure to tech stocks, recognizing that your income is already tied to that sector. This level of personalization means your investment strategy can adapt as your life changes, helping you stay on track toward your goals. Risk management is also getting a major upgrade. AI can monitor not just the volatility of individual stocks, but also the complex web of connections across the financial system. If trouble is brewing in commercial real estate, for example, AI might flag potential ripple effects on regional banks, small business lending, and even consumer stocks, helping you adjust your portfolio before the headlines hit. But perhaps the most exciting part of AI-powered investing is its ability to keep learning. Unlike static models, AI systems get smarter over time, adapting to new data and changing market conditions. This means your investment strategy can evolve alongside the market, helping you stay ahead of the curve. So, how can you get started with AI-powered investing in 2025? Here's a simple roadmap. First, decide what kind of investor you want to be. Are you hands-on, looking for daily trading opportunities, or do you prefer a more passive, long-term approach? There's an AI tool for every style. Next, choose a reputable platform. For active traders, explore AI stock analyzers and trading bots. For long-term investors, consider Robo Advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment. If you're just starting out, apps like Rockflow, Acorns, or Plum can help you dip your toes in with minimal capital. Don't forget to do your homework. While AI can process more data than any human, it's still important to understand the basics of investing and keep an eye on your portfolio. Finally, stay diversified. Even the smartest AI can't predict the future, so spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to manage risk. In summary, AI-powered investing is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's here, and it's already transforming how people build wealth. By leveraging these tools, you can gain an edge, minimize emotional decision-making, and tap into opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. So, are you ready to let AI supercharge your investment strategy? The tools are out there, and the future of investing is smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever. Don't get left behind. Start exploring AI-powered investing today, and you might just find yourself among those who are finally raking it in.